Hello, and welcome to today's Rate Fast Speed seminar, Attorneys in Workers' Compensation, Understanding Depositions. I'm Dr. John Alchemy. Thanks for joining. Next, let's define what a deposition is. A deposition is nothing more than someone asking questions and answering questions under sworn evidence. If you check out the definition of deposition on Wikipedia, you'll find that it means a political means for the removal of a politician or monarch. It may be done by a coup, impeachment, invasion, or forced abdication. But what we're talking about today is the process of deposition in workers' compensation. This process allows an attorney to ask questions to find answers and evidence for their case. This is the process whereby additional elements can be brought to light. The Workers' Compensation Court actually prefers that doctors' testimony be given in the form of deposition and not have the doctor come in and stand in front of the court. But make no mistake, giving testimony in a deposition is no different than standing in front of the court and the judge, and it's sworn evidence. So if you're being deposed, don't say anything that you wouldn't say in front of a judge. Next, nerd knowledge. Why do attorneys want to take depositions, particularly depositions of medical providers? Well, there's basically three reasons. The first is that the attorney has a legal question that remains unanswered or needs more information. Number two, what has the doctor been thinking about and what are their conclusions? Additionally, what medical support do they have for their conclusions? And number three, everyone wants to know if the value of the claim has been correctly calculated according to the AMA guides, particularly the AMA Guides 5th edition in California Workers' Comp. A lawyer has the right to subpoena a doctor, and the doctor has the right to submit a motion to quash. A motion to quash means a request to nullify the request for subpoena. One reason a doctor may want to quash the request for subpoena is because of scheduling conflict. When a motion to quash has been submitted, usually the judge has to step in to decide the next course of action. Finally, we'll do some problem solving. Here's a common everyday problem. A lawyer has been trying to schedule a doctor for her deposition. The busy schedules just can't line up, and the case is being delayed and delayed. Question: what is the solution beyond the lawyer filing a subpoena that would allow the deposition to be scheduled? Answered: yes. A deposition can be performed by phone or by telemetric means, such as Skype or GoToMeeting. Remember, deposition performed by these means are the same as face-to-face, which are also the same as sworn testimony right in front of a judge or standing in the court. Thanks for joining us today for today's Rate Fast Speed seminar. You can join us at Rate-Fast to learn more about California workers' compensation, impairment rating, and California workers' comp. Simply click on the blog page. And this has been Dr. John Alchemy. Thanks again for joining us.